Looking for an easy appetizer that everyone loves? These sausage and cream cheese crescent rolls are always a hit, and you can make them ahead of time. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make sausage and cream cheese crescent rolls. They're savory, creamy, crispy, and perfect for brunch, holidays, or game day. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for our sausage crescent rolls is we need to get our sausage going. So here I have some Italian sausage. You want to make sure you're using Italian. You can use mild or hot or a mixture of both, whatever you prefer. We're just making sure we're not using breakfast sausage here. So we're going to get that into the skillet, start breaking that down. And then to this we are going to add some bell pepper, and I'm using red bell pepper because I love the color. You can use whatever you prefer. And we're just gonna cook this until the sausage is cooked through, crumbling it up as we go, and then the peppers get softened. Okay, this is looking good. We have nice crumbles here. It's just about done. Now that we're at this phase, I'm going to add some cream cheese to the mixture. So here I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to, and I've cut it up into chunks so it's not gonna fall in like one big blop. To this I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning. Oh, I see a fennel seed popping out from the sausage. That's my favorite part. Because we wanna season everything up. So we have our all-purpose seasoning in there. I mean, you can't go wrong with this combination. Okay, this is looking good. I'm going to turn the heat off at this point, and we're going to set the skillet aside. The cheese will continue to melt from the residual pan heat, and we're going to get to work on our crescent rolls. So here I just have a can of crescents, and very carefully I'm going to pinch the perforations closed. So just kind of go through, and where you see those perforations, we're just going to pinch those closed. Okay, so these are ready. We're just going to bring in our sausage mixture and get that onto our pastry. So I'm going to kind of split it down the middle. That didn't work well. It all slid together. Go about half and half. Perfect. And then I'm just going to use my spoon to spread it into a nice thin layer, but I don't want to go all the way to the edge. You do want to leave a bit of a lip so that when we roll these up, it has somewhere to go. Now, next up, I have some mozzarella cheese. So we're just going to evenly divide it amongst our two rolls here. Now, we need to roll these up, and I probably should have laid them out the other direction, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna turn my board around like that. And we're going to start with the long end, and we're going to carefully fold up that first part here and tightly do a tuck and roll. Okay, I'm going to pop these into the freezer. They need to freeze for about an hour, and then we will move on with our recipe. All right, so our sausage logs have been chilling for about an hour. They're not frozen solid, but they are much firmer, and that's exactly what we're looking for. I'm going to reuse my parchment paper, just like that, and we're going to cut these into 8 to 10 slices. So I'm literally gonna do half, and then I think I'm gonna do 3 from each half. I'm just gonna get rid of this end because it's just doughy. And then we will lay these out on our baking sheet. Boy, these look so pretty with the flecks of red pepper. I'm going to pop these into a preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, and we're going to give those a taste. These sausage and cream cheese crescent rolls are golden, flavorful, and you saw they just came together in minutes with that little bit of chilling time. I'm telling you, these are sure to be the hit of the parties. Every time I make them, they're gone in a flash. All right, I'm going in for a taste. Put this one right here. Oh. Oh my gosh, they are so good. These crescent rolls are definitely a keeper. They're easy, they're versatile. You can taste the bite from the sausage, that little bit of bell pepper, the creamy cream cheese. Always, always a crowd pleaser. You guys, you're gonna love these. Now, make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab the printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. If you love easy appetizers, be sure to head over to my crescent chicken roll-ups next. They're just as simple and they're seriously delicious. You can check it out here and I will see you over there.